Hi, I'm Dave Shea. I'm the president of DC Software, the founder of the company, the author of ArcTools, and the J.D. Edwards Purge and Archive methodology for ArcTools. ArcTools is the premier Purge and Archive solution in the J.D. Edwards space. We offer Purge and Archive tools on all the different platforms for all the different versions of J.D. Edwards, and that cover many of the different functional areas within J.D. Edwards, whether it's financials, distribution, manufacturing, etc. We also glue all of these together with a comprehensive methodology to help the customer right out of the box start working and getting some purging done very quickly. We've got our 300 customers all over the world, and the process has matured to the point where it is mostly an out-of-the-box cookie-cutter approach. Now, there are customers that do need to tweak things. They have custom tables, they have custom criteria that they want to put in. This is not a hard-coded solution. It is a configurable tool. So it's very easy to come in and make those changes. Many customers have created some custom tables to go along with their purchase order, for example. You need to purge and archive that purchase order. You don't want to have to go reverse engineering some code or something like that. We go into the tool, and within a matter of minutes, you've got your custom tables added to the solution, and you're ready to go. Well, the reason I think we have the best tool on the market is not just because we have a great tool, but it's the methodology that goes along with it. The methodology is not just the rules and the configurations for the purges. It's an entire set of marching orders and a very thorough, very detailed set of instructions. There are things we describe before you start in this functional area. You better go look at this. You need to understand this thing in J.D. Edwards. And so all of these things tie together so that you don't have to trip over the same stumbling blocks that, frankly, we did starting out trying to figure out J.D. Edwards. So it's all runs very smoothly now, and it's very straightforward. All right, there are many benefits to archiving and purging. The most obvious would be disk space, or the next most obvious would be system performance. If you take a lot of data out of production and move it off to the side, get it out of the way, you don't have to get rid of it. Let's get it out of the way, get it out of production. Your performance will increase significantly. So that makes for happier users, that makes for savings on hardware upgrades and various things. And then the disk savings themselves tend to get multiplied. So if you start with a terabyte of data in your production environment and you archive it down to half a terabyte, as soon as you refresh the development environment, you've saved another half a terabyte. When you refresh the PY, the training, and all your other little sandboxes that you have, you save that same amount of space multiple times. So it adds up very quickly. It's very significant. Archiving is part of Oracle's standard upgrade message. When you think about doing an upgrade, Oracle will provide you with a laundry list of things they want you to think about, whether it's source code, modifications. There are lots of things they want you to do. One of them is to think about purge and archive. It's a good time to clean out old data, to reduce some of that entropy that's piled up over the years, and so they specifically recommend archiving as part of an upgrade project. A typical implementation for ArcTools is fairly straightforward. This product has been around for a long time. We have hundreds of customers, so it's fair to say we've probably tripped over most of the things we're going to trip over already. It's typically there's an installation process where we physically install the software, do a little tire kicking, make sure everything works okay, permissions and those sort of technical details. And once those are ironed out, we're ready to go. And we can jump in very quickly in a test environment and start running archive and purge jobs. So we like to start, obviously, we'll drive at first. We'll get through some of those initial purges with the customer looking over our shoulder, but we very quickly want to hand the keys over to the customer. Our goal is to make the customer autonomous and self-sufficient. On the other hand, some customers are so busy that they want somebody else to just take care of it and call them when they're done. We can do that too. Our preference, though, is to make the customer autonomous. If a customer wants more information about ArcTools, the best place to go is arctools.com. We have a lot of information there about Purge and Archive in J.D. Edwards. We have case studies, white papers. We have monthly webinars for more information about ArcTools. You can sign up there. That's a good idea to sign up there for our upcoming webinars. Another good place for information about ArcTools would be the JDE Alliance. ArcTools is a member of the JDE Alliance, which is a consortium of best-of-breed applications that work along with J.D. Edwards. You can find them at jdealliance.com. You can also follow us on the social media sites.